If you are over 60, there is one hidden danger in your home that causes more senior falls than weak muscles, than poor balance, even more than slippery floors. And most seniors walk past it every single day without realizing the risk. The truth is, many falls don't happen outside. They happen at home, in familiar rooms, during normal routines. And the number one cause might be in your home right now. Before we continue, I want you to think about this question. Have you or someone you love ever tripped inside the house? Maybe near the bed, in the living room, or walking to the bathroom at night? If yes, you are not alone. Type SAFE in the comments if you want to make your home safer this year, because today you may discover something that can prevent a serious fall. Section 1. The reality of senior falls. Falls are not just accidents. For older adults, falls are one of the leading causes of injury and loss of independence. Many seniors who fall once become afraid of walking. They move less, muscles weaken, balance declines, and the risk increases again. But here's what surprises many families. Most senior falls happen inside the home, not outside, not on stairs, not on ice, at home, during normal daily movement, which means prevention is possible. Section 2. The number one hidden cause. So what is the number one reason seniors fall at home? Loose rugs and unsecured floor mats. Yes, something that looks harmless, soft, comfortable, decorative, but extremely dangerous for aging balance and mobility. Here's why rugs become risky after 60. As we age, our feet lift less while walking. Step height decreases. Shuffle walking increases. This means the toe catches objects more easily. Even a small rug edge can stop the foot suddenly. And when the foot stops, the body keeps moving. That is a fall. Section 3. Why rugs are more dangerous at night. The risk becomes even greater during nighttime walking. Many seniors wake up to use the bathroom. Vision is reduced in low light. Depth perception changes with age. If a rug edge lifts slightly or curls, the brain may not detect it in time. One small trip can lead to hip fracture, head injury, or hospitalization. And many of these falls start with one simple thing, a rug that moved just a few inches. Section 4. Common dangerous rug locations. Let's identify the most risky places where falls often start. Near the bed when standing up in the morning, in the bathroom on tile floors, at the kitchen sink where water drips, in hallways during night walking, at entry doors where rugs slide easily. These are high-traffic areas and high-risk zones for seniors. Section 5. What to remove right now. If you want to reduce fall risk quickly, here's what experts recommend. Remove small loose rugs. Remove curled edge mats. Remove sliding bathroom rugs. Remove hallway runners without grip backing. If a rug moves when pushed by foot, it is unsafe because safe walking requires stable ground. Your brain needs predictability. Your foot needs traction. Your balance needs certainty. Section 6. Safe alternatives. You don't have to remove comfort to gain safety. Instead, choose non-slip rubber-backed mats, wall-to-wall secured carpet, grip-taped bathroom mats, low-profile fixed flooring. These options provide warmth without movement, safety without instability, comfort without fall risk. Section 7. Empowering message. Many seniors think, I've walked on this rug for years. I'm used to it. It never caused problems before. But balance changes with age. Reaction time slows. Vision shifts. Step height decreases. What was safe at 50 may not be safe at 75. Removing one rug can prevent one fall, and preventing one fall can protect independence for years. Today we learned most senior falls happen at home. The number one hidden cause is loose rugs and sliding mats. Risk increases with age-related walking changes. Nighttime makes rugs more dangerous. Removing or securing rugs dramatically reduces fall risk.
Small home changes create big safety results. If this video helped you, please share it with a parent, grandparent, or someone over 60, because one removed rug can prevent one life-changing fall. Subscribe to Senovita for simple, science-based senior health tips that protect mobility, safety, and independence after 60. And comment "Safe Home" if you plan to check your floors today. Your future balance starts with today's environment. Stay safe, stay steady, stay independent.